How you doing, everybody out there on YouTube? In this video, we got a 2002 Volkswagen Jetta. Um, what we got here, it's if you ever had a problem with the master control Windows switch, like this, it won't go down. You got to press, and then the window won't go down, or sometimes it gets broke in here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how replace the master control Windows switch, which is simple. The tools that you're going to need, it's a flat screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver, probably a pick, because sometimes it's kind of tight here. On this one, it's not really, but sometimes it's a little hard to pull this one on the this plastic. Okay, what we got here, you guys can probably use the pick and probably prime out a little bit out, and do not scratching like this. Just prime out and then lift it, and here you go. This part, that's a clip, so that thing hold the door handle. Let's put away, and what you got to do, lift this up, keep lifting up, and you can't pull so much because this wire, the connection is kind of tight in there. What you're gonna do in here, you can use same thing. Use your flat screwdriver, push it in, and prime out. There you go. So, as you guys can see, this one is a broken one. So, this is a damaged one. So, next step, it's use your Phillips screwdriver here and there, and one at the top. We got our new master switch, Windows switch, and there you go. There is a brand new we're going to install on it. Okay, just gotta remove only 3 screws, and but I've been seeing, like I said, I've been seeing this issue in many Volkswagens, and this is one more. So just basically pull it out. Looks like this one, it's a OM part, Volkswagen. So probably that was the stock. So there is, and there we have it. That's the older. Same thing. Put this one back on. I don't take no more than 10 minutes to do it. It's really simple, quick. So here we have it. Pretty solid. Now you gotta do just same thing. Just plug it in on it. There we go. Simple, just set it down, and basically this one, it lock this up, you know. So what you're gonna do is you know, slow it down, and there it is. This is already done. The problem is gone. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Every switch, it's pretty solid, brand new part, and that's the process. It's pretty simple. Tools that you needed, it's only 3 tools right here. That's what you need. 3 tools: flat, Phillip, and a pick to loose this one. I think the master switch, it's between 2000, I think in 99 to 2005, they are the same, and should be the same issue with those cars. So that's it for me. Thanks for watching.